This is a look, once again, at Kamaishi City in Iwate Prefecture, and it looks like a tsunami has been engulfing the port. You're seeing live footage of a tsunami engulfing the port area of Kamaishi City in Iwate Prefecture. We've been reporting earlier on that the meteorological agency has issued a warning for tsunami up to 6 meters deep, 6 meters high, and this is what's happening right as we speak. A large tsunami engulfing the port of Kamaishi in Iwate Prefecture.
The biggest earthquake to hit Japan since records began 140 years ago strikes the country's northeast coast. The 8.9 magnitude quake triggered a 30-foot tsunami that swept away everything in its path, and was quickly followed by a second wave. Hundreds of cars are washed away as the first wave slams into Miyako port. The Red Cross in Geneva said the wall of water was higher than some Pacific islands, and a tsunami warning has been issued for the entire Pacific basin except for the United States and Canada. Kyoto News Agency reported that at least 10 people have been killed so far, and said the death toll is expected to rise. Many injuries have also been reported, and the footage coming in suggests the damage is massive. There have already been several large aftershocks, and fires erupted in Tokyo buildings after tremors rocked the Japanese capital. Travis Brecker, Reuters.
Northeast of Tokyo. Impossible situation to be able to control that at this time of an oil refinery where not just black smoke, but you can see an inferno coverage of a oil refinery in Chiba Prefecture, Ichihara area east of Tokyo. Live coverage of an oil refinery, the fire completely going, buildings completely raging out of control. Firefighters obviously not being able to contain that blaze. Northeastern Japan in Iwate Prefecture. A tsunami of 4.1 meters struck land. The prefecture of Ibaraki, Miyagi, and Hokkaido in the north were all hit by waves of 4 meters, as is Inferno 3. But today, about 2 hours and 30 minutes ago, a large earthquake, magnitude 8.4, hit northern Japan. It has led to fires, and that fire in an oil refinery completely under control. A large inferno, Chiba Prefecture, Ichihara area. Oil refinery crane operations, including Shinkansen bullet trains, although no major damage has been reported. The magnitude 8.4 earthquake as the Great Hanshin earthquake back in 1995. A local fire going to be revised. We are only getting information as we speak. You're watching. There have been 44 reports of fires breaking out around the country. For those of you who've just tuned into NHK World, I may speak. In Miyagi Prefecture, police say one person has been confirmed dead after being struck by a falling object. We are closed. 3 of the runways in Haneda Airport have been reopened, obviously for planes that have been circling around the top of the Tokyo. Looks like fire to higher ground if they are.
That warning was extremely good advice.
Prefecture, northeastern Japan, an intensity of 7 was recorded on the R studios.
When earthquakes hit newsrooms, it's easy to see straight away how powerful they are. And if they're out to sea, just off the coast, then the tsunami doesn't take long to turn up.
And this is a look, once again, at Kamaishi City in Iwate Prefecture, and it looks like the tsunami has been engulfing the port. You're seeing live footage of a tsunami engulfing the port area of Kamaishi City in Iwate Prefecture. We've been reporting earlier on that the meteorological agency has issued a warning for tsunami up to 6 meters deep, 6 meters high, and this is what's happening right as we speak. A large tsunami engulfing the port of Kamaishi in Iwate Prefecture. This is from our camera reporter in Miyagi. And it looks like the tsunami has engulfed several cities.
Images yet more terrifying emerge from the same Pacific coast. The huge tide just appears to eat anything in its path. Look at the road. Look how tiny the cars are.
From 7.9, one of the worst earthquakes ever in Japanese history.
In fact, it's the 7th most powerful earthquake in history. None of the other 6 were in areas anything like as populated as this.
危ない。持った。
キラさん。
逃げる。逃げて。早く。ああ、母さん。早く。逃げ気大きい？
だろうね。
ちょっと電池危なくない？
大丈夫大丈夫。大丈夫、こうなってる。みんなどうする？私たちわかんない。卵食べてました。
大丈夫？まだ揺れてる。
入れてる。
中学生いるよ、あそこに。カズさん、立って。座ってるといざって時に逃げられない。
立てる。
ひどいこれ。ばあちゃんたち大丈夫？電話するすぐに。待って、持ってる。携帯。携帯置いてきちゃった。
あ、いい、入んないで、いいから。いいじゃん、やめな、まだ。
落としてきたかも。家の中。
あ、話してるね。
携帯基地やられたかも。大丈夫？
まだ、卵持ったままでさ、何にも持ってないね。今、携帯だけ持ってさ、携帯だけ持ってさ。でも家のものみんな倒れてきて。私は
牛も全部ほとんど倒れちゃって。信じられない。うっそ、家具が。ダメ、停電してる。